Zach Cooper. I'm a maintenance tech at TWPC. I've been out there just a little bit over a year now. Started out in high school doing welding and machining, and after I graduated I went into plumbing, and this job I just kind of fit what I was interested in. I like hunting and fishing, riding four-wheelers up on the mountain, stuff like that. Yeah, so UCORS gave me the resources, I guess you could say, to give back, and it's very important to me to give back where you came from and remember your roots, and I donated $3,000 to Anderson County Career and Technical Center in the welding program. They brought me up and gave me the skills I need, and I have got me the job, so I wanted to remember that and give the next generation something to be successful. Definitely like to further my education every day. I try to learn something new, learn something other than welding or machining. I work with guys, carpenters, air compressors, electrical. I try to pick up on electrical when I can, or jump in with a carpenter when I can, or just any little bit I can pick up and further my knowledge. I do that. Definitely like to continue moving up, learning new skills, new traits, just anything I can pick up to better myself and further my education, I try to take up on.